us ay napod sa sulod. Our hospital is growing. Let us help the hospital. Pero na, mubalik ta sa major prize. Diba? Okay, aircon. Basta man siya? Aircon. Eureka.
0.6.
White Tatsa. Habis.
Go, Sue!
Hamid na. Up. Up. Santa Romana! Pwede na lang ninyo. Wow! Bang, picture!
Next is the washing machine.
Ang washing machine. Washing machine sa ano na? Ito washing. Washing. Kala. Bert, tabangi Bert.
By the way, doctors, the one that we have there, our CT scan, sa Microsoft, we donated it to Calvario Adventist Hospital. And by now, they are using it. We are having good income for that for the last 7 years. Ngayon, nauna pa sila gamit ito doon at this moment when we are talking sa Calvario. Dagang gusto mo palit ito. Pero ito bidonate ito and they're happy about it. Thank God. Praise the Lord.
Okay. No? Ilang i-check kung na may pinakan sa ilaga sa ilalong. Wala dyan daw.
May we call on Sir Raymond Robles?
Sir Raymond, from the Davao Mission of Seventh Adventist Church, we would like to request Sir Toto.
American Home Washing, 7 hours.
Demo.
Dili na ibutang sa styrofoam eh. Ayaw na.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, sige siya walang washing niya. O washing na buba na. Taas na mo, taas. Ready na mo? 2 years, limited part warranty motor. American Home.
Roletta rolling!
Our washing machine, donated by Davao Mission of Seventh Adventist Church, goes to... Ay, so ano pala na?
Manuel!
Palikit daw, Wow! Sa puso-puso. Congrats, picture!
Congratulations!
Picture! Doc, Sir Toto. Yan. Ang next is TV. Ang next, TV.
Last na TV.
Last na TV.
Gas too. Major na ito ng...
Major wala yung gas to. Dapat ay duha. Ha? Nabangin. Matuwa. Kapag naman problema.
Ang next one na dito sa likod.